Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Our ingredients are going to be 1 Elmer's glue. This is 4 ounces, 4 fluid ounces of Elmer's glue, which is about half a cup. So we're going to start by pouring the Elmer's glue into a bowl. You're going to want to make sure it's all in the bowl. Get it all out. Now you're going to want to fill the Elmer's glue container to the top with water, which will give you half of a cup of water, and you're then going to mix that into the bowl of glue. So now I'm going to go get my water. Here's my half cup of water. I'm going to shake it around, get all that extra glue out of the container, and then you're going to pour into your bowl. Now you're going to want to stir the glue mixture with your half cup of water. Perfect. Now you're going to take 1 cup of water and pour it into your other bowl. In this bowl, you're going to put 1 teaspoon of borax powder. One teaspoon of borax. And you're going to want to you're going to want to stir the borax powder as well. You're going to want to stir the borax powder into your full cup of water bowl. And then you're going to slowly pour your glue into the borax powder. I'm going to switch bowls. Now you're going to want to stir until you find that your glue is starting to get sticky. It'll start sticking to itself. Perfect. After stirring for as long as you please, you will have your slime. From here you can do whatever you please.